y'all, I have my hunk of burning love with me today, and we are going to make some yummy fudge. Peanut butter. We're going to make it two ways. We're going to make peanut butter and vanilla and peanut butter and chocolate. And in the morning, we are going to get up early, and we're going to take this down to Josh and them.
How early?
Well, they get there about 6-ish, I think.
A.M.? Just kidding.
Yes, a.m.
Yeah, Josh is a peanut butter connoisseur.
Yeah. So we're going to get up early in the morning, and we're going to take this to Josh and them, Josh and Kevin. I don't know if Kevin will be there tomorrow. What's tomorrow? Monday. I don't know who's going to be there, but I know Josh will be there. So we're going to make this for him. We're going to make it two ways and take it down to the radio station in the morning and see how he likes it.
This has been all over Facebook and TikTok, Craigslist.
So we're going to...
2-ingredient fudge.
Yeah, so easy. So we're going to give it a try. We've never made it. It looks easy and it looks good. So we have this humongous jar of peanut butter, but the recipe says that you use the smaller jar, which
it looks huge in your little hand.
Yeah. So, but if you use a regular jar, it's about 28 ounces. So I'm just going to put about 4 cups in here. Golly. We're going to microwave both of our things. So we're going to make peanut butter and vanilla. You're going to, go ahead and fill that up for me, babe. So we're going to do one with vanilla, and what you're going to do is you're going to microwave this. So we already took the foil off of it so that we don't blow anything up.
So I think best case scenario, you get a regular jar of peanut butter.
Yes.
28 ounce, and just use the whole jar.
Yeah, just use the whole jar. So we'll do the vanilla one first, and we're going to go ahead and put them in these to-go pans. You're going to use parchment paper, and I'm going to butter it up really good. But these are going in the microwave for a little bit until they're good and melted. Probably around, I'm going to say 45 seconds to a minute to get these warmed up.
No more than an hour. I think that's about half. Or we're going to do this.
I'm just going to do this first. All right.
Perfect.
So I'm going to go ahead and do my parchment paper. You're going to butter it up really good. I'm going to show you a little trick that I learned, though. That if you take your parchment paper...
I'm watching. I'm fixing to learn something.
A little trick I learned. And then you undo it. It will go down into your pan a lot better. It's easier to manage.
However, you're going to have wrinkles on the bottom of your fudge.
That's okay.
I wish you would.
Okay. Now I'm going to butter this up. I'm going to use a paper towel. Add some butter.
Speaking of butter, if you haven't seen the David Show,
speaking of butter,
it is awesome. Well, I didn't know how to segue that in there. You better not
miss that David Show. Yes. Oh my gosh, Joanne.
Incredible.
My friend Joanne, she gave Greg and I tickets to the David Show, and we got to sneak away and go the other afternoon. It is amazing. It is so amazing. I love David anyway. I love the story of David. That's perfect. So I did that. Go ahead and pour that in there. But it is so good about God's faithfulness and just how we, get so busy. There were so many times that I was like, oh my gosh, this is me. This is so me. The mistakes he made and the guilt and then the coming back to the Lord and wanting to be in the Lord's presence, but then got busy and everything was just coming at him. And I was sitting there going, oh my gosh. Weren't you? I mean, it was so...
Oh yeah, it's thinking
emotional.
That, everybody has their giants. Everyone has something in their life that is in their way or that's...
but it's so powerful. It is so powerful. If you haven't seen it, get tickets and all that.
That's always been like my favorite Bible story because, and just the attitude of a kid. How old was he when he was like 16 or 17, right? I mean, he was
15 to 17. We don't know for sure. I don't think anyone knows, but he was in his teens.
Oh, that was an awesome. And the Giants are so realistic.
They're pretty much sold out through November, so you guys have to get a ticket. I think there's still space in December, so get a ticket and go see it. And then after you see it, come and eat with us at Local Flavor.
And we went to see Jesus. I know you went and saw
Jesus and Esther. Yeah, but this one was by far one of my favorites. I loved Esther. It was great.
I'd say it, but it was better than. I thought it was better.
Time.
It was just awesome. Is that wadding up? Not
I'm having
working?
a time. I'm having a time with it, getting it in here. All right, yeah, it's going in. Okay, I think once we pour it in here, it'll start to form. All right, so go ahead and pour her in. So what we're gonna do is you're gonna pour it in this. I'm gonna try to hold this down for you.
Starting it.
Yeah, get it in here.
I'm telling you.
Just start whisking it and pouring it.
Well, this whisk is like melted.
Oh my word.
I need a real whisk.
Here.
Oh yeah, that's peanut butter Snickers.
Oh yeah.
And the tiny ones are so much better than the full-size bars.
Okay, y'all. I'm gonna put this in the refrigerator and let this get cooled down and set up. And then
I'm gonna continue to struggle with this gigantic.
and now we're gonna make chocolate and peanut butter. We'll see which one Josh likes better.
This reminds me when I was a kid, I used to put hot water in there and shake it to get the...
I never did that. We weren't that bad.
We did it with ketchup. I don't think we had to do it with peanut butter. Make a knife that's like the same shape as a peanut butter jar that you can reach in there and like get that money's worth.
Good to know. So I think we've learned our lesson, right? Pour them in while they're...
Probably not.
Pour them in while they're... I think I'm going to like the chocolate. You need a...
Oh.
To get the rest
If you haven't seen David, spoiler alert, he does kill the giant.
We're going to finish our fudge up.
That's pretty rich, isn't it?
Woo!
Yeah, hit you right in the old sweet tooth.
I need a glass of milk with this.
That's pretty rich.
It is so rich.
So it's just eating straight peanut butter and icing, so...
Okay, so we got our fudge out. It's been setting overnight. I'm going to take it out and cut it up. It's not the prettiest fudge I've ever seen. But it does have some little peanut butter swirls in it. And look what I found. I found this little Christmas tin that I didn't use last year. So I'm going to put it in here to give it to them. I'm just going to cut this in some little squares. That's about all you need right there because it is so rich. There we go. How cute is that? This makes a lot of fudge, so it's going to be a great gift idea to buy some little tins and give this away as Christmas gifts. Of course, you can make yours a little prettier. This was my first run. We are on our way to the radio station at 106.3, my favorite radio station here in Branson. Got my fudge for Josh, and look, we're listening to him. He doesn't know we're coming.
There's some Cajun performers.
Should we stop at the grocery store and buy him some milk?
Probably.
I'm gonna go in and get him some milk because it's so rich. They didn't have any small containers of milk, so I had to get this half a gallon. We brought fudge.
You did? Awesome.
It's the birthday boy, Paul Harris. And the clever...
Gosh, dude, you don't even know.
That one's the chocolate, that you're the vanilla.
Oh, dang,
okay.
smooth.
Well, we knew you would love it. Well, Greg's the one. He said, we got to take this to Josh. He's the peanut butter connoisseur.
It's kind of funny.
God bless Greg.
Oh, son.
I mean, this is really, to me, this is like, it tastes like a no-bake cookie.
I know,
to a certain
right?
extent.
Yeah.
This is the smoothest chocolate fudge I think I've ever tasted in my
Wow.
life. I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to raise my Casey's cup with delicious vitamin D milk. I'm raising my glass and we are toasting Michelle and Local Flavor for the delicious food.
With Josh and them, y'all, I just tasted one of the greatest things that I've ever tasted in my entire history, which is long of tasting things. Our friend Miss Michelle and Greg from Local Flavor just came in. Local Flavor Branson, y'all go down and check it out. That's the home of the O-Cheeses, that giant cheeseburger that's served in between two grilled cheese sandwiches I've been telling y'all about. Miss Michelle stopped by and brought us some fudge, some 2-ingredient homemade fudge. Absolutely ridiculous. Y'all be giving Miss Michelle's Local Flavor page a like and a follow. There will be video of Mr. Grisham and I. Apparently, Miss Michelle made the fudge, and her husband took one bite, was like, you need to take some of this to Josh. We love you, sir. We absolutely love Greg Michelle from Local Flavor. Thank